Hey everyone, if you're in the USA and looking to make extra money this year, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 side hustles that can help you earn $1,000 or more every month in 2025 and 2026. These are real, actionable ideas you can start right now. Let's dive in. Hustle 1. Freelancing with AI tools. First up is freelancing with AI tools. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer services like content writing, graphic design, video editing, or even AI-powered services. For example, using ChatGPT to create content or Mid-Journey for graphics. Start small, build a portfolio, and soon you could be making hundreds per week. Hustle 2. Print on demand. Next, print on demand. Websites like Merch by Amazon let you sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and other products without holding inventory. Design your product, upload it, and when someone buys, the platform handles production and shipping. Your main job? Creating designs that people want. Hustle 3. YouTube automation. Number 3 is YouTube automation. This means running a channel without showing your face. Use AI tools to write scripts, generate voices, and edit videos. Topics like finance, tech, or lifestyle are trending in the USA. With consistency, a single automated channel can bring in hundreds or thousands monthly. Hustle 4. Affiliate marketing. Fourth is affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn a commission for every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank are great for beginners. Focus on content that solves problems and naturally recommends products. Blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts. Hustle 5. Online tutoring. Number 5. Online tutoring. Websites like Skillshare and Cambly let you teach skills or help students learn English. If you have a talent, a subject, or language skills, you can turn that into a steady side income. So there you have it. 5 side hustles to make $1,000 a month in 2025 and 2026. The key is to pick one hustle, take action today, and stay consistent. Which side hustle will you start with? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips.